spring cleaning. The reason I recommend it is because you will feel lighter, happier, and more clear-minded. And I personally went through all my articles of clothing, yes, one by one, including shoes, and I let go of 40% from each category. So they went to either family, friends, or to charity. And because of that, I now have all this space in my closet and in my house, and I was able to clean everything in my space very easily. I was even inspired to go through my phone and remove 25 to 30 people that I have not been in touch with in the past 1 to 2 years, or the people that I just feel that I don't resonate with anymore slash vibe with. And I lovingly send them good vibes and wish them well. And, I do really recommend that you do this because one, you will thank me, and two, you don't really need to have that much clothing. So, unless you have a capsule wardrobe or you're a minimalist, I feel like most people have a lot of clothes that they don't wear. Technically, if you can pare down your clothes to even 80%, you're doing really well. Some of my friends have done this and they've even got to just keeping the 20% of the clothing that they always wear, and they wear that 80% of the time. And if you know these figures, it's basically the Pareto principle, right? Anyway, this is a short video, part of the Simply Sensational podcast. I am a solo podcaster from Vancouver, BC. My show debuts on June 2024, which is the summer solstice, and I appreciate your support. So thank you for listening, and I will talk to you soon.